So how has this understanding of the Oedipus complex and dream psychology impacted my view of dreams and the human psyche? Well, it has certainly made dream interpretation a lot more interesting. Every dream becomes a puzzle, waiting to be solved, with clues hidden in the symbols and characters that populate the dream world. But you might be thinking to yourself, are Freud's theories still relevant in today's world? Despite the critiques and evolving theories over the years, Freud's ideas about dreams continue to shape the field of modern psychology. Many therapists still use dream analysis as a tool to understand their patients better, to help them unravel the threads of their unconscious mind. And for those of you who love to multitask or simply enjoy a good audiobook, Dream Psychology is available in audiobook format. There's something quite captivating about listening to theories of the human mind, especially when they delve into the intricate and often enigmatic world of dreams.